Smoking, once seen as glamorous and sophisticated, has long lost its allure in the face of overwhelming evidence of its devastating health effects. With each puff, smokers inhale thousands of toxic chemicals, significantly increasing their risk of heart disease, stroke, lung cancer, and a range of other illnesses. Despite these dire consequences, quitting smoking remains a formidable challenge due to the powerful grip of nicotine addiction. However, breaking free from this habit is not only possible but also one of the most rewarding decisions you can make for your health and well-being. In this extensive guide, we will explore various methods, strategies, and resources to help you quit smoking successfully and embrace a life of vitality and longevity. Understanding the complex nature of addiction. Before we delve into the strategies for quitting smoking, it's crucial to grasp the complexity of nicotine addiction. Nicotine, a highly addictive substance found in tobacco, rapidly stimulates the release of dopamine in the brain, creating pleasurable sensations and reinforcing the habit. Over time, the brain adapts to this artificial stimulation, resulting in both physical and psychological dependency. Breaking free from nicotine's grip requires a multifaceted approach that addresses both the physical and psychological aspects of addiction. Commit to quit. Setting your quit date. The first critical step in quitting smoking is setting a quit date. Choose a date that holds personal significance and commit to it wholeheartedly. Inform your friends, family, and supportive colleagues about your quit date, as their encouragement and understanding can be invaluable throughout your journey. Nicotine replacement therapy, NRT. Nicotine replacement therapy, NRT, offers a structured approach to managing withdrawal symptoms and cravings. NRT products, including nicotine gum, patches, lozenges, and inhalers, provide a controlled, lower dose of nicotine to help ease the transition to a smoke-free life. Consult with a healthcare provider to determine the most suitable NRT option for your needs. Prescription medications. Prescription medications can be effective tools for quitting smoking. Two common options are bupropion, Zyban, and varenicline, Chantix. These medications work by altering brain chemistry to reduce withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Your healthcare provider can assess your suitability for these medications and provide guidance on their use. Behavioral therapy. Unraveling the psychological bonds. Smoking is not merely a physical addiction, it's deeply ingrained in daily routines, habits, and emotional triggers. Behavioral therapy, either individually or in group settings, can help you identify and address these psychological aspects of addiction. By working with a therapist or counselor specialized in smoking cessation, you can develop coping strategies, change habitual behaviors, and strengthen your resolve to quit. Support groups. Strength in community. Joining a support group for individuals on the journey to quit smoking can provide you with a sense of community and encouragement. Sharing your experiences, challenges, and triumphs with others who are facing similar struggles can be empowering and motivating. Support groups can be found in local communities, online forums, or through quitlines. Healthy lifestyle changes. Nourishing body and mind. Adopting a healthier lifestyle can complement your efforts to quit smoking. Focus on incorporating regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress reduction techniques like yoga or meditation into your daily routine. These positive changes not only promote overall well-being but also help manage weight gain, a common concern for those quitting smoking. Identify and manage triggers. Breaking the habit loop. Identifying triggers that prompt you to reach for a cigarette is essential for successful smoking cessation. Common triggers include stress, boredom, social situations, and alcohol consumption. Once you've identified your triggers, develop alternative strategies for coping with them. For example, if stress is a trigger, consider practicing deep breathing exercises or taking a brisk walk to manage your stress levels. Rewards and milestones. Celebrating your progress. Celebrate your milestones along the way. Set up a system of rewards for yourself when you reach specific goals in your journey to quit smoking. These rewards serve as positive reinforcement and motivation to stay smoke-free. Acknowledging your progress, no matter how small, reinforces your commitment to a smoke-free life. Relapse prevention. Learning from setbacks. It's important to recognize that relapses can happen, and slipping up doesn't equate to failure. If you find yourself having a cigarette, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, use the experience as an opportunity to learn and strengthen your resolve to quit. Reach out to your support system for encouragement and guidance on how to avoid future relapses. Resources for quitting smoking. Your allies in the journey. Numerous resources are available to assist you in your quest to quit smoking. Quit lines. Many countries offer free telephone support and counseling through quit lines. These services provide expert guidance and tailored strategies to help you quit smoking successfully. Mobile apps. There are several mobile apps specifically designed to aid in smoking cessation. These apps track your progress, offer daily tips, and provide motivational messages to keep you on course. Websites and online communities. Explore the wealth of information, forums, and chat groups available online. Websites dedicated to quitting smoking offer a vast array of resources and personal stories to inspire and guide you. Local support services. Check with your local healthcare provider, community center, or health department for smoking cessation programs, workshops, and support groups in your area. Conclusion. A smoke-free future beckons. Quitting smoking is a challenging but highly rewarding endeavor. Remember that you're not alone in this journey, and support is available from a variety of sources. By combining various strategies, seeking support from loved ones, and staying committed to your goal, you can break free from the grips of nicotine addiction and embrace a life of vitality and longevity. Your journey to a smoke-free future begins with that first step, setting your quit date and deciding to reclaim your health and well-being. As you infuse your daily life with these practices, you'll find that quitting smoking is not merely an act of willpower but a profound transformation towards a healthier, smoke-free you.